Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm again trading on platform binary.com, and it is the best binary platform on internet today as compared to IQ option, expert option, and Olem trade, Bynamo, pocket options, any other site. I love trading on this site because it gives me a good handsome money every time I trade it on this platform. So guys, many of you are really annoying of binary trading, okay? You know, binary trading, forex trading, or stocks intraday trading are full of risk, but also vice versa, full of rewards. Okay, it is the best rewarding business, or you may call it a job, a day job. It is the best you can get. Okay, so because 80 to 90% of traders loses money in these kind of platforms, whether it is stocks, whether it's cryptocurrency trading or forex trading or binary trading. You know, 80 to 90% or more, they lose. Only 10 to 20% people take all of your money. Okay, so guys, first you should have to learn, then approach. Okay, so let's start our trading session. Today we are going to trade on volatility index 100. This is my favorite index, and we will choose touch and no touch. Okay, change barrier offset to 1. Not 1, it's 0.4. Sorry, 4. Yeah, 4. Okay, 4. So let's give a trade. Okay, yes, yes, profit 46 cents. Hey, let's trade bigger. Okay, okay, be patient. Oh, be patient. Yay. Oops, maybe I trade it. Oops. Okay, I will trade it here. Wrong. Okay, no problem. Oh, yes. Yo. Okay, now I have to cover my loss. Oops. Yes. So I recovered. Okay. Now watch me how I'm trading here. Okay. Okay. The market is rising. Okay. Yep. This is so cool and easy to earn money like this. You know, this is the best way to earn money on internet today. It's trading. You should have to learn. Okay. Oops. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh yes. Again. Win. Woo. Oh. Oh. Oops. No. No. Wrong trade. It's wrong trade. $25. Yes, I recovered my loss again. Whew. The market is in downtrend, okay? It's really going down. Yep. See the resistance here. Okay, I just got a little late on this trade. Oops, yes, yes. Oh, shit. Shit. Okay, $25. Really, market is not good for trading at this time. Yep. Come on. Yes. Oh, yeah. Again. What the hell? Yes. Oh. No. Again, I'm making mistakes. Okay. Here I'm really making mistakes. Okay. Now this time down. Yes. Oh shit. Oh yes. Hoo. High profit. Yes. This time surely will go up. Oops. Oh no. Shit. Oh shit. Okay. No problem. Yes. Oh shit. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Yep. Yes. Definitely market is rising. Yes, again. Profit again. Profit. I love profit. I love money. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Hoo. Today $25 profit and I'm satisfied today, okay? No more trade. Just don't be greedy. If you really want to be successful on this platform, don't be greedy. $25 a day, it's enough. It's really enough. Okay? People often loses because they are so greedy. They want to earn thousands of dollars in some minutes, okay? So please guys, stay safe, earn less and be happy. Okay guys, so if you have any queries regarding this platform, kindly email me, or if you are new to this platform, you should join this platform by link given below in my description. I will definitely give you simple uh, trading strategies free, and also free bots to my affiliates. Bye bye guys, take care.